Others. So, Josh, how can people be prepared?
Hey, good morning, Alexandria. Good morning, Redrick. You guys are right. The images from Nashville are still chilling to see. A tornado ripping through a major U.S. city, destroying everything in its path. Now, people here across the Quad Cities are wondering what should they do. To answer that, we spoke with Brian Payne, Director of Operations for Emergency Management. He says brainstorming is the best way to get prepared. Here's what he had to say.
There's honestly a huge list of things that you need to ask yourself. If you're not able to stay in your home, do you have somewhere to go? Do you know how you're financially going to be able to pay for that? Do you know the financial resources available to you during those types of emergencies? I mean, those are all very important questions that are extremely situational pending the individual user or the individual needs that are coming through for that.
Also, he said that it's really good for people to be aware of their surroundings and know what the forecast is calling for. He says that's the best way to be prepared. We'll have all of these tips and so much more information on our website, ourquadcities.com. As for now, reporting in the newsroom, Josh Finson, Local 4 News, Alexandria, Redrick.
All right, thank you for that update. Well, this morning